Planning and preparation are the keys to getting the salary you deserve. Begin by estimating your value in comparison to similar positions in your sector of activity using internet chat rooms and forums or your own professional network. Make a list of your accomplishments, such as objectives and goals that were met or increased responsibilities, and be ready to prove them if required. These elements will give weight to your arguments during your negotiations. Establish realistic targets for salary and benefit increases, as there are several components that make up an overall compensation package other than wages, including vacations, bonus, training, and flexible schedules. Without necessarily getting into specifics, begin by suggesting a reasonable salary increase or improvement in your overall pay package. Always have a plan B in your pocket. Pay close attention to your superior's objections and submit a counteroffer if necessary. Don't expect an immediate reply. Sometimes it's better to be patient and let things sink in before following up at an opportune time. Never revert to blackmail or threats. Make sure you're firing on all cylinders before you launch the negotiations. Be creative. For AutoJobs.ca, I'm Lisa Christensen.